Hey guys, it's me Ken here. Today we are back with another video, but before I tell you guys what we're going to be doing in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you guys know every time I post another video. So it is currently 11 o'clock right now, and I just woke up. So basically, I was editing this video and I was rewatching the intro and I was just yapping. So basically, me and my dad are going to Chicago to watch the Sky versus Fever game. So that's what I needed to say. I don't know why I was talking so much. Today's Friday, June 6th, so the game's tomorrow. So we're gonna be leaving. I actually don't know what time we're leaving because I think my dad's still upstairs packing. And I packed most of my stuff yesterday, but I have a few things that I need to add, so yeah. Okay guys, so it's currently 2 o'clock and we are finally getting ready to leave, so I gotta put my bags in the car and yeah. Alright, so we had to make a quick CVS run because I need body wash and I don't have any on me, so I'm trying to figure out where it is. Oh, in here. They locked it up. That's crazy work. What? God forbid a girl just wants to be clean. Well, I gotta go talk to someone, which I don't want to do, but I guess I have to. Okay, I just got over my fear of talking to people. Well, no, I didn't get over it. I'm definitely not over it. And we're just pacing up and down this aisle because I don't know what to do until he gets here. But he said he's on his way. He's like ringing someone up.
Please scan it now. Place your... Continue.
Alright guys, so we finally made it here. I had to, whoa, the background's beautiful. Wait, hold on. Whoa. We finally made it. I'll give a little tour. Okay, so we have like the living room area right here. And then over here we have like a little dining area, I guess. And then I guess these other two seats. You can eat and look out over here. Be nonchalant. Then kitchen. There's like a big counter and then a little fridge. Oh wait, you have like a balcony? Hold on. Wait. It looks like there's like spider stuff out there, so I'm not gonna go all the way out, but yo. And then sink over here. Like I said, fridge, microwave, stove. Looks like this is a closet, but they like close it off. And then just the bathroom. And then this is where I'm staying, my room. This is also like really pretty over there. And got 2 nightstands, nice little bed. It's really firm. And then over there is my dad's room. And then this is the entrance. And yeah, it's another closet, another bathroom over here. My dad's part. Oh, that's for the other half of the balcony. It's like, oh wait, can you get out here from here? I don't think so. There's like windows though. I don't know. It's cool. But yeah, that's our little rental apartment tour. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on my little road trip to Chicago. I think we're just going to chill and probably order some food here. I don't know what I'm feeling yet, but we'll DoorDash, whatever it is. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. And the game's tomorrow, so I definitely will be vlogging our day tomorrow. But I'm going to be splitting like this trip into separate videos because I don't want like a super long video because retention. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.